which one didn't we? You could smell it.
We're almost there.
Yep.
Just be kind.
We have to turn left in 3 miles.
Man, I'm serious. Winds.
I know, I can feel it against the truck.
Yeah.
It gets cold and it cuts warmer.
Yeah, I know, it's pretty sad.
Right there.
Alright guys, we are here
Right
in McDaniels, Kentucky, and on the scene of a house, which I'm probably ain't gonna show it. There's a scene of a house way down there. I don't know, y'all. God.
He's not even showing it.
Corbin, turn that way by Memo.
It almost looks like a tornado
Turn
hit
down by where Memo is.
I got it now. I don't want to show all of it because there's people over there.
There ain't nothing left of it.
No, did you see how
It almost
sheeting and everything?
It almost looks like a tornado had hit it.
It was an explosion.
It was a gas.
It's bad. I'm trying to figure, but yeah, we heard it all the way over down at home. I'm amazed this house ain't got affected by. I actually want to take a view of these houses out here. I like them.
All right.
I can't understand.
The window's busted out
Whoa.
on them.
Yeah,
It really is.
It affected that one.
All right, you can
turn it off now.
Not done yet. I'm gonna see some of these houses.
turn it off now.
But anyway, we're gonna wrap this up. We are in McDaniels, Kentucky. If I didn't say it before, or yeah, we are. But the real reason why he's there is because there was a
Gas explosion.
gas explosion. It wasn't anything. I mean, I feel bad for the people who was in that. I really do.
Jesus.
Wrap it up.
But anyway, here's a beautiful house, and I'm gonna wrap this up. Show y'all a video of the Rough River Lake,
Man, it's
We're at
windy.
Laurel
Look-
Branch.
Look at
Laurel Branch in McDaniels, Kentucky.
Oh, there's a beach down here. That's a beach.
Oh, okay. They got a lot of sand built up there. Look how windy that water is.
They got a sink here for cleaning your fish. It's kind of neat.
What's that metal? What's that stuff way over there on that?
That's a dock. Those are boat docks.
No, the gray thing way
Those
down
are
there.
boat docks.
That's where the water's
That's
gone
when
down.
the water goes down. That's where they land on. But when the water comes up, they
Show
start
it in
flooding.
front of us.
Yeah, show in front of us, cool. You probably just get the sun though, won't you?
Probably so.
Bugs keep on.
Laurel Branch Public Beach.
Wind chill, leaves, Bubby.
So it is a public beach here.
Yeah.
We might want to check it out this next year.
Hey, he's walking us out.
Yep.
Or he's walking and the dog's following.
Yeah.
Dog could be walking him.
I took my person out for a walk today.
Probably
That
did.
was amazing.
He looked like he needed exercise.
Yeah,
he
so
took the
they took
person
him
out
out
for a
for a
walk.
I
walk.
took him out.
And he did a horrible job.
Hey, there's another truck like ours.
He didn't do his business not once.
Hey, look, Dad. There's another truck like ours. There's that color and everything up there.
And at the future
The
us.
dog. I can tell you what that dog's saying. Hey, I'm taking my owner out for a
And
walk.
when
He's
you
got
go
to go to the
potty,
bathroom.
no, he's fixing it up.
All right, I'm done taping.
Look at the next flag.
I'm done videoing.